I just stumbled upon this tiny but tenacious paper from Apple and thought of sharing it with you. Application developers, or app developers as they prefer to be called, promote their apps by creating multiple custom pages, each with different images. By using different images for different pages, the app developers can engage people with diverse interests to use their apps. In some cases, developers also advertise their apps, and in these cases, they suggest which search phrases that they think are the most relevant for their apps. This primarily gives us two different but equally meaningful but subjective perspectives on the relationship between apps and search phrases. The intuition of the people who created such app and intuition of people in general. Therefore, understanding the relationship between images and search terms and providing a model to recommend creative images to developers that best match with search phrases is an important task for supporting app developers. Recent state of the art approaches have addressed this problem using a cross modal transformer or BERT architecture. The existing approaches work well for image captioning and QA tasks, but in the search domain, creative images often do not have a description, and search phrases contain much shorter text, making description based matching infeasible. In this paper, the researchers have customized a cross modal BERT framework by fine tuning a pre trained cross modal model on an in house training dataset. And this dataset consists of search phrases, add image label, and few other things. And then they evaluated this model on their test set for the image search phrase and matching task and compare with baseline including clip, and the results were really good. So their results have been compared with four baselines. First is XLMR plus ResNet, XLMR plus clip image, zero shot clip, and fine tuned clip. One possible reason for the performance lift lies in where the fusion occurs. While both baseline use early fusion where text and image features are concatenated as input sequence, their approach uses mid fusion where independent transformers are applied to the textual and the visual modality. Then a cross modal encoder is applied, showing the effectiveness of the cross modal encoder in identifying the relationship between modalities. So, this paper and why I think is important that it has demonstrated that a cross modal model framework significantly improves the prediction accuracy for image text matching in the domain of apps and search phrases. And this paper opens door wide open to automatic image selection and for self-service capabilities for developers that recommendation which image is best to promote their application. So that is why I think that in the future when Apple comes up with yet another model, I think this research will be the cornerstone of that model. So that's it. I just wanted to share that I think this is going to be big in near to far future as far as Apple's generative AI is concerned. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. Read through it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.